Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we have a classic trigonometric problem that looks intimidating at first glance, but once you spot the key algebraic trick, it simplifies in a seconds. We are given cos alpha plus beta is equals to minus 1 by 10 and sin alpha minus beta is 3 by 8. With the range 0 is less than alpha is less than pi by 3 and 0 is less than beta is less than pi by 4. We are told that tan 2 alpha is equals to 3 into 1 minus r root 5 divided by under root 11 into s plus under root 5, where r and s is naturals. Our goal is to find the value of r plus s. Let's break this down step by step. Notice that we can write 2 alpha is equals to alpha plus beta plus alpha minus beta. Taking the tangent on both sides, tan 2 alpha is equals to tan alpha plus beta plus alpha minus beta. With the help of tan A plus B formula, where A is equals to alpha plus beta and B is equals to A alpha minus beta, we where to find this formula we need the individual values tan alpha plus beta and tan alpha minus beta. Now for alpha plus beta, we know cos alpha plus beta is minus 1 by 10. Since cosine is negative here, alpha plus beta lies in the second quadrant. Using trigonometric identity, we can find out sin alpha plus beta, and which is 3 into under root 11. So tan alpha plus beta is 3 under root 11 by 10 divided by minus 1 by 10. For alpha minus beta, sin alpha minus beta is 3 by 8. So we can find from trigonometric identity cosine is equals to under root 11 by 8. Therefore, tan alpha minus beta is equals to 3 by under root 55. Now tan 2 alpha is equals to minus 3 under root 11 plus 3 by under root 55 divided by 1 plus 3 into under root 11 into 3 by under root 55. The expression simplifies to tan 2 alpha is equals to 3 into in bracket 1 minus 11 under root 5 divided by under root 11 by under root 5 plus 9. Let's set our result equal to the expression given in the question, and which is 3 into 1 minus r into root 5 divided by under root 11 into s plus under root 5 is equals to 3 into under root 1 minus 11 root 5 divided by 11 under root 11 into 9 plus root 5. Comparing r root 5 with 11 root 5, which gives r is equals to 11, and comparing s plus under root 5 with 9 plus root 5, we can say s is equals to 9. So r plus 9 is equals to 20. This is our final answer. Thank you.